morning, everyone, to morning yoga on the balcony. It's a little bit breezy today, but the weather is a really comfortable temperature to be doing it on the balcony now, not so hot. So my name is Gillian. This is the channel Yoga G, beginners yoga. So I just thought I'd take the opportunity with the beautiful blue sky to do a little bit of yoga out in the balcony. We're going to begin in our easy cross leg, just to do a few stretches. Take the arms out to the side, inhale the arms up, and exhale them down. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Again. Another two. Last one. So this time, just keep your hands at heart center. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, just twist to the right. Take a few breaths here. Just stretching, twisting into the spine, wakening up the spine. And come back to center. Take another breath in. Exhale, twist to the left. Take a few breaths here. And come back to center. Take the hands down, press the right hand into the mat, reach over with the left, stretching down the side body. Let your neck be relaxed here. Inhale up, switch to the opposite side. Good stretch down that side. Come back to center. So just extend the right leg long. And you're just going to turn over that right leg. You're going to creep your fingers down just to wherever they'll go. Take a breath in. If you breathe out, you may be able to creep the fingers a little bit further or not. Just go to where your body will take you. Keep your gaze down towards your knee. Just stretching into that left hip. One more breath. Then you're going to take the left hand behind you. We're going to come up into our wild thing. So you're going to reach up, push through that right heel as you stretch right down the right side. And slowly bring the hips down. Just keep the legs as they are and reach forward. Just getting a bit of a different stretch into the hips. And slowly bring the hands up. Switch the legs. Bring the right foot in, left leg out. So again, turn over the extended leg. Creep the fingers out. Try and keep your back long and straight. Take a breath in. As you exhale, you may be able to creep a little bit further. Stretching into that right hip this time. Two more deep breaths. Bring yourself up. Take the right hand behind. Push through that left heel. Reach. Stretching right down the left side. And slowly bring the hips down to the mat. Reaching forward. Let the neck and shoulders be relaxed. No clenching in the jaw. And slowly bring the hands up. Just sweep the legs round, coming into your tabletop. So we're going to do a few rounds of cat-cow, but we're going to do it with Balasana, child's pose. So as you come into your cat, you're going to round the tailbone and take the hips back. And as you come up, you're going to drop the belly, bring the head. So inhaling, Exhaling round the tailbone, push the hips back and down. And inhaling, bringing the head up. Exhale round, take the hips back and down. So just follow with your own breath. It's a great way to waken up the spine in the morning. Another 2. And this time, keep your hips back and down. We're going to come into our thread the needle in our child's pose. You're going to take the right arm in and under. You could be up here, or you can bring the shoulder to the floor and extend the left arm to the top of the mat, pushing through that left hand to twist you a bit further. Then slide that left hand back to push yourself up, going to the opposite side, threading the left arm in and under, either staying up or coming to the floor and extending the right arm. Slide that right arm back, push yourself up. Keep your knees or hips above knees and walk your hands out into your puppy dog stretch. So just bringing the forehead to the mat, keeping the hips above your knees, getting a good stretch into the shoulders. Slowly come up, walk the hands back. We're just going to engage the core a little bit here. You're just going to tuck your toes under. You're going to tilt the tailbone in and under and engage the core. So squeeze the belly button to the spine, push through the hands and just lift a few inches off the mat for 1, 2, 3. Bring the knees down, release the toes. We're just going to do that 2 more times. When you're ready, tuck the toes, tilt the tailbone in and under and engage the core. Lift the knees, push through the hands for 1, 2, 3. Bring the knees down, untuck the toes. A breath in and a breath out. Last time, tuck the toes, tilt the tailbone in and under, squeeze the belly button to the spine and push through the hands, holding here for 1, for 2, for 3. Bring the knees down, untuck the toes, and just bring yourself down onto your tummy, into your Sphinx pose, lightly pushing into the top of your feet, having your elbows below shoulders. Just feel as if you're gripping into the mat with your hands and pulling the mat back towards you as you pull your chest through your shoulders. Just keep your gaze towards the top of the mat so you're not straining your neck, and just breathe into your lower stomach. Then relax the legs. Bring the left forearm across the mat and roll yourself onto your side, stacking your feet. So we're into our side Sphinx. You can either stay here if you're feeling the stretch in your side. If you're not feeling the stretch, come up onto the arm so you're getting more of a stretch into that left side. And slowly bend into that elbow, coming back through center. Take the right forearm across the mat, roll onto the right side, stack the feet, either staying here or else pushing through the right hand to give you more of a stretch. slowly bring yourself down onto the mat. Bring your hands by your ribs to bring yourself up into a seated position. Either sit with your legs straight out or in your easy cross leg. So that was just a short little routine to awaken the body in the morning, get the blood flowing, get your mindset right for the day ahead. And I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you may be doing. And I'll go enjoying the sunshine and the blue skies. So goodbye for now, and